Good morning, boys. Once again, as part of solving as many sample papers as possible, we are entering into sample paper 3, section B. As you may recall from your memory that section B basically consists of A and R type of MCQs, assertion and reasoning. You need to apply understanding and logic. So straight, without wasting much of your time, we go to question number 25. Keep the paper and pen ready. Put the question and write the answer in the form of alphabet A, B, C, D, like that. And then at the end, I will be giving you the answers. Have a self check and put your score in our WhatsApp group as you have been doing. So question number 25, assertion. Core enzyme catalyzes chain elongation of RNA. Elongation of RNA, assertion. Reason. The presence of sigma factor is required for initiation of transcription. Transcription, what's that? There are two processes in protein synthesis: translation, transcription. So here we are talking of transcription. Alternatives: A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. See any relation between assertion and reasoning? First, check whether both the statements are true or not. Assertion is true or not. Reason is true or not. Then you come to whether reasoning is correct explanation for assertion or not. Question 26, assertion. Chromosomes and genes both occur in pairs. Reason. The two alleles of a gene pair are located on homologous sites on homologous chromosomes. A, both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Now we move on to question number 27. Assertion. Halobial endosperm is found in monocots. Reason. Two chambers are formed in this endosperm. Alternatives. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. Now we move on to question number 28. Assertion. The middle piece of sperm possesses numerous mitochondria. Many mitochondria will be there. Reason. Mitochondria produces energy for the cell. For the cell, remember. A, both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, reverse, A is false, but R is true. Question number 29 is giving you a photo. Identify that. Identify mechanical contraceptive in the figure below. Is it cervical cap? Is it female condom? Is it male condom? Or is it a loop? Identify the picture. photo. Next, question 30. Incomplete linkage. Incomplete linkage in Drosophila, fruit fly, produces offsprings with parental and non-parental combinations. What is the percentage of non-parental combination of Drosophila, fruit fly? Remember we were talking about this in linkage and recombination. So the choices, alternatives: A 85%, B 15%, C 17%, and D is 83%. Question 31. DNA is a polymer of nucleotides which are linked to each other by 3' to 5' phosphodiester bond. To prevent polymerization of nucleotides, which of the following modifications would you choose? Okay. Alternatives: both remove or replace 3' OH group in deoxyribulose and remove or replace 2' OH group with some other group in deoxyribulose. What is the question? To prevent polymerization of nucleotides. B. Remove, replace 2' OH group with some other group in deoxyribulose. Next, C. Remove, replace 3' OH group in deoxyribulose. D. Replace purines with pyrimidines. Now you need to think of this because the question is prevention of polymerization of nucleotides. So you need to understand the diagram that you have drawn. Pentose sugar, attachment to that. Next, question 32. Contraceptive oral pills help in birth control by A. Killing the ova, B. Forming barrier between sperm and ova, C. Killing the sperm, D. By preventing ovulation. Contraceptive oral pills, right? That is the clue. Question 33. Linkage is the A. Generation of non-parental gene combination, non-parental. B. Generation of parental gene combination. C. Physical association of two genes present on a different chromosome. D. Physical association of two genes present on the same chromosome. Question 34. Question 34. Beadle and Tatum showed that each kind of mutant bread mold they studied lacked a specific enzyme. Their experiments demonstrated that A. Gene carry information for making proteins. Cells need specific enzymes in order to function. Genes are made up of DNA. Enzymes are required to repair damage. Next, question number 35. Embryo sac is to ovule as dash is to anther. A. Stamen, B. Filament, C. Pollen grain, D. Androecium. Embryo sac to ovule, right? Dash is to anther. Question 36. Dash is a primary sex organ of female. A. Vagina, B. Fallopian tube, C. Uterus, and D. Ovary. Now question 37. A sperm cell moving from lumen of the seminiferous tubule to the exterior of the body passes through all the following structures except. Now you need to see the diagram that you have practiced. Male reproductive system for this. A. Vas deferens. B. Epididymis. C. Seminal vesicle. D. Urethra. He is asking you except. Exception is asking. Question 38. Female heterogamety is present in, means female having varieties of chromosomes. Insects, human beings, birds, and D. cockroach. Now question number 39. Question number 39. Repressor proteins are coded by dash genes. Remember lacoperon, repressor. Structural, promoter, regulator, operator. You know, in lacoperon there are varieties of genes. Structural genes, promoter gene, regulator gene, operator gene. So he is asking, repressor proteins are coded by dash genes. Next, 40. Seminal plasma, the fluid part of semen, is contributed by the following. 1. Seminal vesicle. B. Prostate gland. Third, urethra. Fourth, bulbourethral gland. Now A 1, 2, 4, B 2, 3, 4, C 1 and 4, D 1 and 2. Seminal plasma, the fluid part of semen, is contributed by the following. Okay. Next, 41. Insemination involves A. the fusion of male and female gamete. B. release of seminal fluid at the end of copulation. Passage of semen into the prostate gland. Mixing of seminal fluid with the sperm. Next, question number 42. Which of the following is a mechanical barrier used for birth control? Again, mechanical barrier. Diaphragm, loop, Dawkins shield, and copper T. Next, question number 43. All genes located on the same chromosome A from different groups depending upon their relative distance form interactive groups that affect the phenotype, will not form any linkage groups, and D form only one linkage group. All genes located on the same chromosome. Question 44. Genetic and physical map of genome was generated using information on A. polymorphism of restriction endonuclease recognition sites. B. repetitive DNA sequence called microsatellites. Now down he is giving the alternatives. A. both A and B correct. B. both A and B are wrong. C. only A is correct. D. only B is correct. What is the question? Genetic and physical mapping of genes. Next, question 45. It's a mathematical one. 5 oogonia yield 10 primary oocytes. Then how many ova plural, ovum singular, are produced on completion of oogenesis? A40, B20, C5, D10. 5 oogonia. Remember 5 oogonia. 46th. The haploid nucleus of sperm and haploid ovum fuse together to form, of course, easy one, diploid zygote, blastomeres, haploid zygote, second polar body. Now we move on to question number 47. The fusion of two polar nuclei with one male gamete is called two polar nuclei with one male gamete. So in the question only clue is there, 2 plus 1. So triple fusion, double fertilization, cellular adhesion, syngamy. Last question in this section, 48. Which of the following is formed first out of the following in growing fetus? Which of the following is formed first out of the following in growing fetus? A. Limbs and digits. B. Heart. C. Hairs on head. And D. Eyelids. So take 1 minute, finish it. I'll start giving the answers. You can have self-check. Post your scores in our WhatsApp group and maintain a record whether there is a progression in your ability to score day by day, or check if your graph is falling down. Then you need to analyze why the graph is coming down. Okay? And I am always there to help you. And we both together will ensure that your graph goes up. Right? So here are the answers. Sandeep, question number 25. Answer B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. The core enzyme which catalyzes covalent chain extensions consists of alpha polypeptides with a molecular weight about 41,000 and one beta polypeptide molecular weight about 1,55,000 and one B dash polypeptide, beta dash, okay, polypeptide molecular weight 1,65,000 and one pi polypeptide molecular weight around 12,000 daltons. Okay, so the holo enzyme contains in addition alpha polypeptide where molecular weight is 95,000 tons. See the numericals that I am giving, you can estimate the overall picture of that. So the presence of sigma factor is required for initiation at the proper transcription or promoter site. After each RNA chain initiation event, sigma is released and a core enzyme catalyzes chain elongation. Okay. Question 26th. Alternative A, answer A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Why? In diploid cells, both chromosomes and genes occur in pairs. Two alleles of gene pairs are located on homologous sites or homologous chromosomes. Question 27, answer B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Why? Helobial endosperm is restricted largely to monocots. The primary endosperm nucleus moves to chelagal end of the embryo sac, where it divides, forming a large micropylar chamber and a small chelagal chamber. Question 28. Answer B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Why? The middle piece of sperm possesses numerous mitochondria which produce energy for the movement of the tail to facilitate sperm motility, which is essential for fertilization. Question number 29, of course you know just by seeing the diagram. B. Female condom. The female condom is a mechanical contraceptive similar to condom used by the males. It prevents the meeting of ovum with the sperm as well as provide protection against sexually transmitted diseases. Question 30. Choice is C, 17%. All of you have done that. You have calculated also. Drosophila produces offsprings with parental and non-parental combinations. Due to incomplete linkage, the percentage of parental and non-parental offspring is 83% and 17% respectively. Next, question number 31. Answer is C. Question number 31. Answer is C. What is that? Remove or replace 3' OH group, hydroxyl group in the deoxyribulose. Two nucleotides are linked through 3' to 5' phosphodiester linkage to form a dinucleotide. More nucleotides can be joined in such a manner to form polynucleotidal chain. A polymer thus formed has at one end free phosphate group at 5' end of the sugar, which is referred to as 5' end of a polynucleotide chain. Similarly, at the other end of the polymer, the sugar has free hydroxyl groups, OH groups of 3' group, which is referred to as 3' end polynucleotide chain. So, if you remove the hydroxyl group from 3' end, the polymerization further will not occur. Next, 32. D. By preventing ovulation. So, contraceptive pills contain hormone progesterone or estrogen or a combination of both. These hormones prevent ovulation and thus prevent pregnancy. Question 33. Answer D. Physical association of two genes present on the same chromosome. You know linkage. It is the physical association of two genes present on the same chromosome. So, once genes are located close to each other, they have high linkage percentage. Already you have done calculations also on that. Next, question number 34. Genes carry information for making proteins. So, remember that Sir Gerard, British medical doctor, was the first to suggest that genes were connected to enzymes. And Beadle and Tatum show genes direct the synthesis of enzymes that control metabolic process using genetic and biochemical studies of the bread mold. And remember I told the word neurospora. Even when we get injured, this powder will be used, I said. Next, question 35. C. Pollen grain. Pollen grains are present inside the anther, like embryo sac is present inside the ovule. 36. Answer D. Ovary. Ovary is the primary sex organ of the female reproductive system in human beings. Egg is released from each ovary per month. And of course, it releases many hormones. Next, 37, seminal vesicle. I told you, keep the diagram in front of you and you will understand. Male reproductive diagram which you have drawn, practice, keep that. The testes are where sperm is manufactured in the scrotum. Okay, testes are situated in a bag-like structure called scrotum. The epididymis is a coiled structure. You must have drawn that. Topping the testis, it receives immature sperm from the testis and stores it for several days. When ejaculation occurs, sperm is forcefully expelled from the tail of the epididymis into different duct. Sperm then travels through the different duct through up the spermatic cord into pelvic cavity over the ureter to prostate and the bladder. Here the vas deferens joins with the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. Okay, so if you keep the diagram in front of you, you will understand that it is seminal vesicle. Next, question number 38. Question number 38. C. Birds. Female heterogamety in the formation of different types of gametes in females. Although males produce the same type of gametes, in birds, females, as you know, have ZW sex chromosomes and males have ZZ sex chromosome. Quite reverse to human beings. Question 39. Regulator. Regulator genes code for repressor proteins. Next, question number 40. A. That is 1, 2 and 4. The male accessory glands include paired seminal vesicles, prostate and paired bulbourethral glands. Secretion of these glands constitute seminal plasma, which is rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. The secretions of bulbourethral glands also help in lubrication of the penis. Question 41. B. Release of seminal fluid at the end of copulation. So, transfer of male gametes into female genital tract is called insemination. Okay. Next, question 42. A. Diaphragm. As you know, diaphragm is a mechanical barrier used for birth control. It is made up of latex, rubber, that prevents meeting of sperm and ovum. Question 43. Answer D. Question 43. Answer D. Form one linkage group. Question 44. A. Both A and B are correct. Genetic and physical mapping of genome was generated using formation of polymorphism of restriction endonuclease recognition sites and of course VNTRs. They are called microsatellites. Now question number 45. I think Kadkol must have calculated. Answer C. 5. Each oogonium produces one ovum at the end of oogenesis process and 3 polar bodies. Thus 5 oogonia will produce 5 ova on completion of oogenesis. Question number 46. Diploid zygote. It is easy. Okay. Diploid zygote. Haploid sperm and haploid ovum both together fuse. Diploid zygote. N plus N, 2N. Next, question 47, again easy one. Triple fusion. 2N plus 1. 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 polar nuclei plus 1 male gamete. Triple fusion. And this results in formation of PEN, primary endosperm. And primary endosperm, PEN on maturity becomes endosperm, which is edible part. Next, last question number 48. all of you know it is heart. Heart is formed first in the fetus after 1 month of pregnancy. Look at that, 1 month of pregnancy. Limbs and digits after 2nd month. External genital organs after 3 months. Eyelids and hair after 6 months. So it is the heart, the first organ that is formed in the embryo. So that is why we need to have heart to understand that heart. Right? Now, I hope you have done your self-correction and post your marks in the group. If you got any doubts, you can ask me then also. Take care then. Bye.